Know your value. It's almost like cry for help, that SOS. And I know that's one of the strategies you use to help people get off that hamster wheel that 24/7 of business drives you on.
Yeah. As business owners, I think we always feel responsible to grow the business. And then we start to burn out. And when you burn out, you're no use to anybody, not to your business, not to your family. And SOS became part of my DNA. So I stop what I'm doing. I basically stop. I observe the emotion and I label the emotion. I will say, I'm exhausted. I've got writer's block. And then my strategy will be, the SOS, the strategy, is then, well, maybe take the afternoon off. Go and watch a movie. Go and play golf. But just manage the stress in that getting off the hamster wheel.
And I really do believe that really does help you know your value or discover your value. That's what 1 Minute Millionaire program is all about, is helping you know your value, discover your value. Look, if it's something of interest to you, click the link below and we'll see you inside on the 1 Minute Millionaire.